Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we're going to be doing today. In this video I used a Pat McGrath palette. It's the which one is this? Rose Decadence palette. It's right here, not right there. And I used these three shades right here. I believe this is Hedonistic Rose, Peach Dusk, and Pink Champagne. So I use these three shades to create this look. Anyway, if you want to know how I got this look, then go ahead and keep on watching.